JCB Tyre Response, in association with ATS Euromaster, now offer a complete tyre solution for all JCB machines. With extensive UK-wide coverage, JCB Tyre Response can support all customers throughout the UK. Simply contact the dedicated JCB Tyre Response plant desk or your JCB dealer, and they'll arrange for a genuine JCB tyre to be fitted by ATS at your site at a time that's convenient to you. Their expert technicians are fully trained to the highest standard with all the specialist equipment required. Health and safety is of primary concern. You'll always have the peace of mind that the job is done correctly and safely. ATS also offer high-quality, reliable and permanent repairs to an industry-recognised British standard, which lasts for the lifetime of the tyre, maintaining the manufacturer's warranty. This full repair is superior to a cheaper, temporary string repair and will increase your machine's uptime and improve profitability by reducing punctures. JCB Tyre Response can resolve all your tyre requirements, keeping you and your machine working longer to improve uptime and profitability.